you gonna go, sir? He's just sat... He's not on his phone or anything, he's sat staring directly at the green light. Is he gonna clock on? He's still just sat there. Is he alright? He figured it out eventually. And he even saw a car go straight past him. He shit himself. Oh. What the fuck?
Fucking hell! No, that was absolutely ridiculous on both of those drivers.
Dogs are walking here.
Oh, there.
This is Nightmare Junction.
Wrong fucking lane as well.
You earned a bronze medal.
I'm no expert, but I'm pretty sure they're just run a red light. What are you doing? So get right up my ass. Thank you very much. Thank you, thank you, thank you, you stupid bitch. So even after you indicate for quite a distance and then you start to slow down, they still don't get the message and they're just duh. Like, it's fucking zombies, aren't they? Like a bunch of fucking zombies.
Fuck the cow.
Oh my god. He's got bloody flip-flops.
Are you crazy? Are you out of your mind?
Well, that's just stupid. There you go. Impatience.
I don't know what to say at the moment. I'm not too sure. I have literally no fucking words. What an idiot.
Pretty dirty. There's nowhere for me to go.
What a pickle.
Absolute twat.
I know, I can just wait for you. Lock the video.
Video protected.
We'll have that.
Idiot.
Well, it's alright, we've got a piece of work.
Pick a fucking lane.
Alright, chill out, chill out, chill out. What's he fucking using a hairdryer on him for?
Go on then. Oh, he's got an outfit on, hasn't he?
You're walking a fucking ostrich, you daft c***.
I wouldn't. I don't. I'd have got so many points for that.
Oh, that was a bit daft. Where the hell did you come from?
Video protected.